Landon, what are you doing, bud? You're a little rubberneck. What are you looking at? Boom.
Yeah. Half asleep. Are you done with the burps? Just one? Just one?
Here, Landon.
Mr. Wiggleworth. Oh.
That's how you do it, bunny. Oh. You heard that?
Yes, he did.
What was that? Boom.
Like, what was that?
Landon. Yeah, you hear it. Hey, buddy. He keeps looking up each time.
He's like, I hear that.
Hey, buddy. It's from the gut. You gotta get down deep.
Blood by Kentucky. Or by Louisville.
Oh man, scary one.
Is he pouting?
No, he was just startled. I think more impressed than anything though.
Say, how in the world do you do that?